As one of the teas that are nutritious for the health of the body, the benefits of green tea can actually be used for your hair. Green tea is the result of processed tea leaves from the Camellia sinensis plant. Known as a source of strong polyphenol antioxidants, green tea is often used in hair care products because it is considered quite nutritious. Here are the benefits of green tea for hair health. 1. Prevents hair loss. Hair loss is a condition that everyone experiences. Generally, this condition is caused by several things, such as stress, diet, or hormonal changes. The content of green tea, which is rich in catechins, helps suppress the formation of the hormone dihydrotestosterone. Androgen hormones, which usually have high enough levels in men, are recognized as the cause of hair loss. Therefore, the catechins contained in green tea can help prevent hair loss, by suppressing the production of androgen hormones in your body. 2. Supports hair growth. Apart from preventing hair loss, green tea can also support your hair growth. According to a study from the journal Phytomedicine, the main component of polyphenols in green tea, namely epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG, is considered to accelerate hair growth. This is because EGCG acts as a trigger for hair growth, by stimulating hair follicles and preventing damage to the skin and hair cells. Therefore, this finding is one of the factors why green tea is often used in hair care products, especially to treat hair loss. 3. Increase hair nutrition. In addition to overcoming hair loss by accelerating hair growth, it turns out that another benefit of green tea for hair is that it fulfills hair nutrition. EGCG contained in green tea inhibits the activity of hormones that are one of the causes of hair loss. In addition, green tea also helps improve blood flow, which accelerates hair growth. The polyphenol content in green tea drinks increased blood flow to the skin, and oxygen delivery to the brain by 29%. These properties are very influential on hair growth because oxygen and nutrients sent to the skin can stimulate hair follicles. By drinking green tea, your scalp's nutritional needs are met and your hair is healthier. How to use green tea for healthy hair. Wash with green tea extract shampoo and conditioner. One way to maximize the benefits of green tea for hair is to choose shampoos and conditioners that contain extracts of the leaves. Don't forget to apply your green tea shampoo and conditioner to the roots of your hair and rub gently. If using a conditioner or green tea mask, leave it on for 3 to 10 minutes according to the care product instructions. Make green tea liquid for hair at home. Apart from choosing shampoos and conditioners that contain green tea extract, you can also maximize these benefits by making green tea liquid. How to make? Put 1 to 2 green tea bags in boiling water. Let the green tea bag soak in the water for 5 minutes. After the temperature is reduced, apply the liquid on your hair after bathing. Green tea does offer good benefits for hair growth. However, keep in mind that when you have certain medical conditions related to hair problems, consult your doctor before regularly using green tea. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.